Hello everyone. I have finished assembling the power supply unit for video surveillance. I installed a module like this here. I made it from 18650 batteries. I connected 3 of them in series. This resulted in 12.6 volts, and I installed 2 such assemblies in parallel. I connected them through a BMS board, which I bought several of. I put one on a screwdriver and installed one here. I simply glued it on with hot glue like this. I connected all the wires on the sides. The balancing wires were also soldered. Everything is connected, and I routed the wires out. I've already connected them directly to the power supply unit. Here, to secure it to the casing, I will screw it in. But first, I'll need to remove the battery. This is how it is installed. There is still space. More can be added if needed. The output from the power supply unit is 12.6 volts, but the batteries charge up to 12.32 volts. They don't quite fully charge. This can be increased. It can also be left as is. In principle, there's no need to charge them to the maximum here, to avoid overcharging. Currently, 2 video surveillance cameras are connected. I connected them via signal wires. These are 4-core wires. I used 2 cores for positive and 2 for negative. The wires are 10 meters long. The voltage drop across them is 0.3 volts over 10 meters. In principle, that's not much. The cameras are working perfectly. 2 cameras consume 0.36 amperes, which is approximately 0.36 amperes. With a fully charged battery, the power consumption of the power supply unit is 6 watts. When charging fully discharged batteries, it draws 50 watts. And then gradually, as they charge, the consumption drops. Currently, it's 11 watts, and it will drop to 6 when the batteries are fully charged. If the power is disconnected, the cameras immediately draw power from the batteries. The voltage drops slightly, and the current increases. It becomes 0.42 amperes. This is in daytime mode. In night mode, it increases to 1 ampere. I left it in this mode. The cameras worked for 13 hours. And out of those, from about 1 a.m. to 6 a.m., the cameras operated with infrared illumination. This means the power consumption was higher. So if it's entirely in daytime mode, the cameras can work for about 15 hours on these batteries. With fully charged batteries, the radiators practically don't heat up. This radiator can reach up to 40 degrees Celsius. Slightly warm. It feels slightly warmer than body temperature. These radiators are cold. In battery charging mode, when they are fully discharged, of course there is heating of these and these radiators. Then they are hot. In principle, no critical temperatures are observed here. All that's left is to hang this box on the wall and neatly connect the wires. I'm removing the voltmeter and ammeter, and only 2 wires will come out from here. In general, if anything was unclear to anyone, feel free to ask questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.